Speak English confidently. Beginner's Lesson 5. Mastering English Tenses. Hey there! Welcome back. In this lesson, we're going to focus on one of the most important skills in speaking clear and correct English: tenses. Why are tenses important? Because they show when something happens: now, before, or later. If you mix them up, your sentence won't make sense. Today, we'll learn the three most common tenses: present, what's happening now or regularly; past, what already happened; future, what will happen later. You'll learn how each tense works, how to use it in a real conversation, and how to practice on your own. Let's begin with the present tense. Part 1. Present simple tense. The present simple tense is used to talk about habits, routines, general facts, and things that are always true. Now, look at the structure. Subject plus base verb. I play, you work, we study. Add S for he, she, it. He plays, she works. It rains. Examples. I eat breakfast at 7 a.m. He works at a hospital. They live in Canada. The earth goes around the sun. Let's see more examples. She studies English every day. We go to school on weekdays. The train leaves at 8 a.m. Now, let's practice with questions and answers. Question 1. What do you usually do in the morning? Answer. I brush my teeth, take a shower, and eat breakfast. Question 2. Where does your best friend work or study? Answer. He studies at the university. Let's go deeper. Yes, no questions in present simple. Do you like coffee? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Does she speak Spanish? Yes, she does. No, she doesn't. Try it. Do you speak English every day? Yes, I do. Now, let's move on to the past tense. Part 2. Past simple tense. The past simple tense talks about finished actions. It tells us something that happened yesterday, last week, last year, or even just a moment ago. Now, look at the structure. Subject plus past. Form of verb, regular or irregular. Examples. I visited my friend yesterday. He watched a movie last night. They went to the zoo on Saturday. Let's break it down. Regular verbs. Add ed, work, worked. Play, played. Clean, cleaned. Irregular verbs. Change form. Go, went, eat, ate, see, saw. Have, had. Practice saying these. I walked to school yesterday. She made lunch this morning. We had fun at the party. Now, let's practice with questions. Question 1. What did you do last weekend? Answer. I visited my cousins and went to the park. Question 2. What did you eat for dinner last night? Answer. I ate rice and vegetables. Let's also try some yes/no questions in past tense. Did you study English yesterday? Yes, I did. No, I didn't. Try this. Did you watch TV last night? Answer. Yes, I did. Let's go a bit further. Negative sentences in past simple. I didn't go to work yesterday. She didn't eat breakfast. Let's practice a full mini dialogue in past tense. What did you do yesterday? I stayed home and cleaned my room. Now say your own answer to what did you do yesterday? Time to move into the future tense. Part 3. Future tense. The future tense is used for plans, decisions, and predictions. We use two common forms. Now, look at the structure. Form 1 with will. Subject plus will plus base verb. Same verb. Will call you later. Form 2 with going to. Subject plus am, is, are plus going to. Plus base verb, will going to. Use will for promises, decisions made now, predictions. I'll help you with your homework. It will rain tomorrow. Use going to for planned actions, intentions. I'm going to visit my parents this weekend. She's going to study tonight. Now try these. Question 1. What are you going to do tomorrow? Answer. I'm going to finish my homework. Question 2. What will you do if it rains this weekend? Answer. I'll stay home and watch movies. Yes, no questions in future tense. Will you come to the party? Are you going to cook tonight? Try this. Are you going to study English later? Answer: yes, I'm going to study after dinner. Let's try a quick dialogue. What will you do next week? I'll go to the beach with my family. Your turn. What will you do next week? Great. You're getting the hang of it. Part 4. Review present versus past versus future. Let's compare all three tenses side by side using one verb. To watch movies, I watch movies on weekends. What do you think the answer is? The answer is present tense. I watched a movie last night. Answer past tense. I will watch a movie tomorrow. Answer future tense. Now your turn with the verb to cook. Present. I cook dinner every night. It is regular habit. Past. I cooked dinner yesterday. It already happened. Future. I will cook dinner tomorrow. It will happen later. The more you practice switching tenses, the more natural your speaking becomes. Now, it's your turn. Try these. What kind of tense is it? Read each sentence and ask yourself, what kind of tense is this? Present, past, or future? I read a book every night. She went to the market. They're going to play football tomorrow. He drinks tea every morning. We watched a movie on Saturday. I will visit my grandma next weekend. They cook dinner together every day. I had lunch at 1 p.m. She's going to call you later. Try to answer these on your own. In the next lesson, we'll go over each one together and explain why it's present, past, or future. Don't forget, understanding tenses helps you tell your story, ask good questions, and speak with confidence. Subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next episode.